Alright YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Momo from Doc Bobby Jacobs, and today is my second week of straight hair waves, and I need some lineup, guys. Okay, first let me take it off my do-rag. Alright guys, so this is like a second week right here, but I need some lineup right here, right? I know I'm waiting for my hair to grow so I can drop the self-cut tutorial. In the meantime, I'm gonna teach you how to give yourself a crisp hairline up. So stay tuned. Shall we start? Dose. Okay, step number one, I'm combing down my hair before I'm gonna line up my hairline so that I will have an idea of how it looks like, you know, so I can also estimate how much I should be taking off. So I'm taking out this KMA 1971. It's a trimmer, it's a wider blade, it's kind of hard. If you have a smaller blade trimmer, that'll be better because you might take off some of the hair from your eyebrows if you're not careful. So step number two, I'm lining up my hairline from the center point. So I pick a center point and trim it down, and from that point I'm going left to right, right to left, and kind of going horizontally just to make sure the line is flat so that I can line up the frontal hairline. Step number three, shape up that C-cup section. Pick a side first though. I usually like to start off with my left side because I find it easier. And when I say the C-cup section, that's where the curvature of your hairline starts. So I'm using my corner of my blade of my trimmer to kind of like, you know, create the shape of C, as you can see it right here. Step number four, line up the side perpendicularly to your eyebrows. So this is kind of like a tips on how to do your hairline effectively, whether or not you're cutting your own hair, you're cutting someone else's hair. So basically the eyebrows are like the reference line for your hairline on the side. So you want it to have it 90 degrees from your eyebrows. Be careful not to shave off your eyebrows or someone else's eyebrows though. But that's what I like to do. And just so you know, I'm fast forwarding all this process as well as trimming out some of the clips, but in reality I'm taking my time real slow because when I do my hairline I wanted to do it right. So take your time, please be patient, use your corner bits by bits, you know, take your time please guys. Okay, so after you're finished with your one side, your comfortable side, for me at least it was the left side, you're moving on to the other side. For me it was the right side. And tips on doing the hairline on the other side is that whether or not you're comfortable or not, it's better to use the hand on the same side of your hairline. So for instance, I'm using my right hand to line up the right side of my hairline, and also using my left hand to line up the left side of my hairline. That's what I realized. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so right now, because I'm gonna be posting more videos regarding like tips on self-cut or like tiny details on how to do certain types of haircut. So if you don't want to miss out on these content, please hit that subscribe button and just be part of my gang. Step number five, adjust the frontal hairline to match up with the sides. So I assume both sides of your hairlines are crisp, nice, and box shaped, right? So now we want to connect both of them into look. So from the step number 1, we had the central point, and from that point I'm just going left and right, right and left once again to make it even straight line. And I'm just taking off like little by little. I'm calming down my hairline with my comb, and just make sure all the hair are laid flat. Step number 6, don't forget to line up the back as well. So back is relatively easy. You just have to look at yourself into the mirror and just line it up, and it's relatively easy. You just follow that hairline and just goes around, and also make sure to line up behind the ear as well, and it's just gonna give very nice look at the end. So yeah, I guess that's about it basically. YouTube, this is the cut. What do you guys think? I think it's really hard when your hair is like curled up on the front to make it super straight, but I think this is okay. If you like my video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, gives it thumbs up, and follow me on Instagram and other things, and leave a comment down below. And I hope to see you very soon. Peace.